Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the HIMOMO 4-pack trading card storage box, a must-have for any card collector looking to store, protect, and organize up to 2,340 trading cards or 600 standard 3x4-inch 35 PT toploader card sleeves. Each box features 3 compartments, making it easy to sort and store your cards, and is crafted from high-quality 4-layer cardboard for enhanced durability and pressure resistance, ensuring your precious collectibles are safe from dust and damage. The boxes come unfolded and unassembled, but with pre-planned fold lines and included assembly instructions, you can have them ready in seconds without any tools. The external dimensions are 14.8 by 10.4 by 4.1 inches, while each compartment measures 13.7 by 3.1 by 4 inches, providing ample space for various collectible cards like sports, game, and even Magic the Gathering cards. Plus, they can also be used for other items like handicrafts or gift cards. If you have any questions after receiving the product, their customer service is ready to assist you. So, if you're looking for a reliable and versatile card storage solution, the HIMOMO trading card storage box is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.